guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm sitting on the floor because I don't want to sit on a chair because my back hurts and I just want to like be like this, like We're basically going to be trying out makeup today, and most girls, when they actually put their makeup on, they're either standing in front of the mirror or they're sitting on the floor with a mirror in front of them and makeup all around them. And that is how I most of the time put my makeup on, or most of the time I actually stand in front of that mirror over there. So I just thought, let me get all the new makeup out and put it on the floor around me because I think it's just a lot more laid back. We've got some new makeup today from Bareminerals, Dior, which I'm so excited about, MAC, and we've got new makeup from Too Faced, and it's the first time I've actually received a PR package from Too Faced, so I'm really excited. Bareminerals Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. This is the box it comes in. Ignore this humongous cut I have. Can you see that? Literally, it's fresh. I got it last night when me and Sid were putting Hannah to sleep because for some reason she was a little monster. And she scratched my face up, and she scratched Sid's face up as well. I don't think I'm gonna be able to cover that up really today, but yeah. The foundation bottle, let's see, it's a pump, thank God, it's a pump. Let's just read the side. Flawless, medium to full coverage, lasts all day. Creamy, blendable texture for luxurious comfort. Oil-free, hypoallergenic. This is shade Golden Nude 13. By the way, I've already done my brows, and I've also put on some lashes just because I don't have any new lashes to try, and I don't have any brow products to try, so there you go. They also sent me this lovely Bareminerals brush. I don't know if it's a foundation brush, but I feel like I could use it as one. This time round, I'm actually going to keep this makeup on for the rest of the day. Ooh, it is a good match. I'm just going to dot that all over my face. Film on my vlog camera for you guys so you can see how it's looking in different light and different times during the day and all that stuff as well. It definitely feels oil-free. It's very, very watery. It's very, very thin. I don't use a lot of Bareminerals makeup in general, you know. My mum actually does though. I'd say that that's quite light coverage. What would you guys say so far? I'll probably go in with a second layer. There's no streaks or anything. It's blended in very, very nicely. But a really good match, whoever sent me this. Really good skin match. Nice one, mate. Nice one. All right, let's blend that in, shall we? I'm now gonna go and try the concealer that they have, which is 16-hour full coverage concealer. So what's the time now? It's 1 o'clock. 16 hours. We'll definitely be taking it off before then, so it doesn't matter. And this is in the shade Light Neutral 04. Put it under my eyes. Ooh, very creamy. Ooh, down my nose. Ooh, it's very, very creamy. I feel like I might snap it actually. I'm gonna bring it down a bit. Let's blendy, shall we? Using this really nice little Real Techniques brush. It's a targeted blending brush, and I literally use it for that, and it works amazing. Guys, that blends in quite nice, you know. Very easy to blend in. Wow, I like it. Oh my God, I do. I feel like I might need a second layer under my eyes. I really am loving the consistency of it though, guys. By the way, guys, I managed to order myself the new Kim Kardashian Conceal Kit thing. I think I ordered it about 4 days ago. I don't know when it's arriving though, but it would have been good to put it in this video. I think I'm gonna try and do a video by itself for that actually. I'm not sure what it is, but it feels quite cold, and then the foundation feels quite warm. I don't have a new powder to try, so I'm just gonna set this with my regular Hourglass powder that I always use. Daily, I use this Hourglass ambient lighting powder, which gives off like a diffused light, and it's not actually for setting your makeup, but I don't really set my makeup with it, but I always just dust it on the top of my base, and I find that it works amazingly for me. How's that for a PR package? Bloody hell. Look at that, guys. It's stunning. When I opened it, I was like, we've got 3 palettes. We've got gorgeous lip colors up top, which are supposed to be like a nice buttery kind of feel. Then I think at the bottom, we've got bronzers, but we'll have a proper look. Natural matte. A matte eyeshadow palette. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Look at the mirror on this. Blimey. I'm talking about just the quality of it and everything. Oh my God. This is like a fabric feel to it. Too Faced Dark Chocolate Long Wear Matte Bronzer. Can you see the texture on that? Bloody hell. Dark chocolate matte. I might have to use that for my bronzer then. I'm going to go in with this shade up here. Less is more. Remember, guys, when I do these videos, I have no look planned. I'm literally just testing it out and seeing what happens pretty much. I don't think I have a Too Faced palette. This is my first Too Faced palette. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Au Naturel and put that all over my lid. Oh, I love it. Love this shade. Guys, I haven't done like a matte eyeshadow look in ages though. Actually, I did one yesterday, but every day I've been going in for a glossy look more. So far, so good, I think. I'm gonna go in with that Sick shade on the end there called Hook Up. Just gonna put that on the outer corner. I love that shade, guys. Honestly, there's barely any fallout. I don't think there is any actually. What do you think is because I love the packaging that that it's like impacting my first impression? Well, the thing is, first impressions really do help. So like packaging is a thing, you know, it's a thing. Guys, that blends so nicely. I think that's all I'm gonna use from this palette so far. So basically I just used 3 colours: Au Naturel, Less is More, and Hook Up. I'm gonna go ahead with Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. This blusher brush actually from Bareminerals, but I think this is the kind of brush I use for contour, so I'm gonna go ahead with that for contour. Is this too dark for my contour? Oops. Did I misjudge it? Oops. Why does Too Faced makeup smell and taste good? What? Sometimes when I bronze up the edge of my nose, I do it way too much and it looks like I've dipped my nose in shit. I'm not sure if I'm feeling this as a contour, to be honest with you. Yeah, that looks like I've dipped my nose in shit. This side blended in a lot better. It keeps flying in my mouth and it's tasting pretty good. I'm actually gonna go in with milk chocolate as well to soften up the contour slightly. Hopefully, that's the plan anyway. Like up here, for example. Oh my God, it tastes so nice. There's something going on here. That's just like a really, basically I went in way too heavy with that side. Hopefully we could pull it off though. It's a bit muddy basically. Just gonna try and get rid of it a bit. I'm gonna do my nose with the milk chocolate shade because it's lighter. Ever so slightly because I don't really know how to contour my nose anyway. I just know that I have 2 bumps in the middle. Yeah. Some of the new MAC Hyper Real Glow collection. So I've got this palette right here and it's basically a glow palette. So it's highlighter basically. 3 shades, gold coasting, got Get It Glowing, and we've got Rosy Chia on the end. I'm probably gonna use a mix of Rosy Chia and Get It Glowing. These 2 on the end here. Very bronzy, very nice, I like it. That's beaut. I don't feel like I need to highlight my nose, it's looking all shiny and weird anyway. Bareminerals Blushes. I've got 2 shades here. So we've got this orangey one, which is called That Peach though. And then we've got this one, which is called On the Move. Like on the move, get it? There you can see the difference. Quite like that. From MAC, we have a bunch of these pigments, pretty much. And they look very, very shiny. I have actually no idea how to use them, but I feel like I need something a bit more around my eyes. And the one that's really catching my eye is this shade over here. Let's just open it up. Look how little and cute it is. This is the shade Rose. Look at the inside, it's loose pigment. So I just try and get some because the color looks epic. It's like pink and gold pretty much. Ooh! I don't know how you're supposed to use it. Maybe I could just stick a brush in, but you don't need that much. Oh, I love it. I feel like putting it on my cheeks, Mac. Can I put it on my cheeks? I should probably get like a flat brush and dip it in, but I can't bother finding one. I need clothes in this color. I definitely do. Faid. Oh my God, Faid, I need clothes in this color. I love it. Yes. Look at this color, guys. Beautiful. I'm gonna put that as a highlighter. Just at the top here. Did you see that? Oh, that's amazing. I love it. Okay, I really want to put this lip maximizer from Dior. And it's a pale blue color, but obviously that is just clear, kind of. My lips are always chapped in videos, aren't they? This feels like the Dior Fresh Hydration Sorbet Cream for your face. It feels like that, but for your lips. Dior Addict Lip Tattoos. Very nice packaging there. So that's like more of a tint. Ooh. Those 3 tints, perfect for the summer. I can feel my lips plumping up, but very, very slightly, very, very gently. So it's quite nice. Let's just swatch all of these beauties. How beautiful do these look? Like, I literally don't even want to get these out. I think I'm going to keep them in their box in my, like, on my makeup desk. They'll just stay like this. So these are Dior Addict Lacquer Plumps. And basically they plump, they tint, and they shine. The first plumping lacquered lip ink by Dior. Do you know how excited I am? I'm literally going to swatch every single one of these for you. By the way, they are humongous. The packaging is just beautiful. Here we have Dior. So it makes it look like a lipstick, but it's not. It's like a applicator. Dior, I believe. This beauty, which is called D Fancy. Ooh. Coral Shot. I'm literally sorted for summer. In terms of lips anyway. I love that shade for the summer, I really do. Especially when I've got a bit of a tan. De Mesure. Obviously this got to be all French, hasn't it? That's that one there. Now I'm quite excited about this next one because it's shiny. Dior Platinum. Look at that beauty. Can you see that? Dior Platinum. What a beauty. Disco Dior. Oh, I love it. I'm all into like gloss and stuff right now. One on the end. Dior Glitz. Oh, beaut. Dior Pulse. There it is. Dior Pulse. Dior Fever. That's a beautiful, that's my perfect kind of pink. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough arm space, guys. Dior Pretty. Bit more rosy. Midnight Star, fun color. Shiny, again. So for this one, I'm gonna just go right here and do a long one, because I feel like it. That's beautiful, guys, isn't it? I wonder how that will look on the lips. Maybe I'll try that one on my lips. Glitterati. Bit more natural, I think, that one. Quite nice for everyday, I think. After Party. Another nice pinky shade. Let's see how this differs. Bit more hot pink compared to the others. This is called Dior Lee. Oh, this is very dark. Very nice. Dior Eve. Looks like a classy shade, that. Oh, I love, it's like a minky shade. Absolutely love that. I need clothes in that colour as well. Lovely D, Love Lead. And it's this colour over here, which again looks very natural. Ooh, that's beautiful. So these are all the Dior Addict Lacquer Plump colours. Which one shall I put on my lips though? So, with Too Faced, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shades. So the lip colours are Intense Colour Coconut Butter Lipstick. Infused with coconut butter for a creamy satin finish. Richly pigmented for intense one-swipe colour payoff. Comfortable moisturising formula for luscious, kissable lips. Ooh, it's very brown. This is called Indecent Proposal. Ooh, that is a one-swipe colour. Pout About It, which is this colour. That's a good everyday colour, to be honest with you. Throwing Suede. Very good everyday colour. Girl Code. Girl Code. Ooh. Overexposed. That's overexposed. They're all very similar to each other, but with important differences, I think. Birthday Suit. I'm such a terrible swatcher. I love that colour though. Nip Slip. So it's the colour of a nipple, probably. I'm sorry about this swatching. It's embarrassing. It really is embarrassing. Skinny Dippin'. They really are one swipe colours though. Like I literally just go boom. Very pigmented. This is Strip Search. And finally, we have Send Nudes. All highly, highly inappropriate, really. There we go, guys. They are all of the Too Faced lip colours from the Natural Collection. I think I'm going to have to go in with one of the Dior Lacquer Plumps. The first shiny colour that we swatched that I got really excited about which was this one, Dior Platinum. I'm gonna try that on my lips, and then if it's too dull or like not bright enough, then we will add something else pretty much. Wow guys, this is so cooling. It feels like I could put an ice on my mouth. Whoa, this feels amazing. Imagine how this would feel on a hot summer's day. That is beautiful. But I don't know if it goes with my skin tone, so let's mix it with something else. With the mad bluey one. Guys, this has got such a cooling effect on my lips. Just coming up closer for you guys so you can see it, the texture. It's too dark, so I need to like go in with something in the middle. By the way, it tastes amazing. I really want to try the shiny pinky one on my lips. What do you think of this final look, guys? I feel like it's very disco kind of 80s. I'm probably not gonna go out with this lip color on to the supermarket and to pick up my kid. That's it, guys. Pretty much tried almost everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget you can catch me over on my vlog channel, Dina Tokio Vlogs, where you can see me throughout the week, and see you on my next video. Bye! Guys, I just finished filming a full face trying new makeup. Check it out. It isn't the final lip color I did in the video. I just tried this one on now. It's the the new Too Faced ones. Full strip search. So nice, so creamy, so buttery. It's been about an hour since I applied all of this makeup, okay? I took the Too Faced lips off just because I'm going out now, supermarket and stuff. Foundation, concealer, contour, all of it. Everything's still looking pretty fresh, so it's good. I've just come back from dropping Sid off, going to the supermarket, and then picking Hannah up. So this is my face 2.5 hours later. To be honest with you, really good. And also, it feels super soft, by the way, and I haven't oiled up or anything. And considering how hot it is outside, it's like 25 degrees or 24 degrees or something like that. I think it's really good, to be honest with you. Here it is again in this kind of warmer light. Pretty good. And by the way, this kind of color on my lips is from the lip lacquer tint, the Dior one. That's just like the leftover color. So this is my face. It's almost 10 p.m. My makeup has been on since about 2, so that's about 8 hours. It started to do that really gross thing around my nose. I'm not sure what it's called when that happens, but I have actually brushed my teeth. So I did kind of pat around here a little bit. I also blew my nose, and I've eaten, and I've played with Hannah. I've tried putting her to sleep. So my face has been on a pillow and everything. So this is what it looks like after. I need to take it off though, because I really just want to cleanse my face and get into bed. And I can't wait any longer for you guys. It's 10 o'clock. So this is it. I hope me keeping it on has helped you guys, because normally I would just take it off straight after I filmed the video.